How to use face recognition on your Facebook Messenger app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use face recognition on your Messenger app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger app, click on it. Now click on your profile, scroll down and click on account setting. Wait a second and you have privacy, which is control how we recognize you in photos and videos. You have the second option, which is face recognition. Choose whether we recognize you in photos and video. Click on it and this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.